What's going on, everybody? Sorry about the movement. I'm starting to make videos with my MacBook since there's a lot better of a camera on here, and it's where I edit my videos anyway. So just imagine for a minute you're searching for credit repair. Okay, you're looking for a company, and you're looking for this company on YouTube because there's so much information on YouTube, right? You come across this guy that's flashy, wants you to think he's got money, wants you to think he's got good credit. Then he asks you if you have a public record on your credit report. Okay? And you don't have a bankruptcy, so you tell him no. Then you tell him, but I do have a foreclosure. And he says, oh, okay, you have a public record on your credit report. Just imagine that. And as a consumer that probably doesn't know, not only did you fall for the flashiness, the I got money, so listen to me, but you also just hired a company who claims they've been doing credit repair for 6 years, been in business for 10 years, established in 2010, but they've been doing credit repair since the 80s. So I don't know where anybody went to school, but the math just ain't math, and you got to be careful when you're hiring a credit repair company. If they think that a foreclosure is a public record, trust me, excuse my language, but they don't know shit about credit repair or credit reports. The only thing on a credit report that is a public record is a bankruptcy, nothing else. Now, it used to be years ago, but they changed all that. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great night.